The world's fastest riders are ready to hit full throttle once again. MotoGP is back. The party starts right here and now. Is this frenetic battle between Bagnaia and Marquez?
Non è né colpa tua né colpa mia, ma tutti e due a terra.
Shark attack. It's the rookie sensation Acosta. It's a race win behind Martin. Three names for the most coveted seat in MotoGP.
Calici perché io c'ho la new.
Magic Maverick Vinales, the top gun, is back on top.
We don't give up until we reach the very top of this class.
Honestly, I would be off in KTM's position if they managed to lose him.
Masterpiece from world champion Pecco Bagnaia. Whoa! Here comes Marc Marquez, one of the greatest comebacks in Grand Prix history. But here comes Martin with the element of surprise. There are more title contenders than ever, but there can be only one.